All right, guys, shalom, shalom, shalom. I'm here with another video. Vehicle accident in the USA, state of Rhode Island, and Warwick, USA. What's so funny about this article is that a plane struck a small flock of birds, made an emergency landing at TF Green and Warwick Wednesday afternoon. And what's so funny about this is that the flight was called American Eagle Flight 5396. Okay? 5396. You get it? American Eagle Flight 5396. And here we are at Strong's Hebrew number 5397. That was 5397, right? Let me make sure. Or was it 6? It was 6. Let's change it. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Oh, that's why it kept coming up 5397. 5396, Nishma. Nishma. It corresponds to 5397, which is vital breath. Okay? Nishma, which is breath and spirit, okay, feminine, is used once in the word in Daniel 5:23, and God and the God in those hand thy breath is, and where and whose are all thy ways has thou not glorified. Amen. And we're talking about the breath here. And then they say it corresponds to 5397. And I don't even know what I did with it. So it correlates to 5397. So again, let's go back to that, which is Nesh Amah, which is a puff that is a wind, angry, or vital breath, divine inspiration, intellect, or concretely an animal. Okay. King James versus usage, blast, that breath, inspireth soul, spirit, and breath and spirit, the breath of God, the breath of man, every breathing thing, spirit of man. And I just find it that strange that that these birds fell to the ground, which is an animal, right? And they lost their breath. They hit to the ground, and the Strong's definitely matches this. And so let's see what it means in the Greek. To babble or trifler, to berate idly, and to gossip against, talk idly, make empty charges against, talk nonsense. Okay, which means to bubble up or boil over, overflowing speech. Okay. So again, American Eagle Flight, breath, okay, the breath of life. We just had the Super Bowl and the Eagles flew, okay, they won their first Super Bowl. Now the American Eagle Flight, and then what's so crazy, it says that it collided with several horned larks. Horned larks. And what is strange about horned larks is that horned larks are called the shore lark, and Europe is a species of the lark in the Allidae family found across the northern hemisphere. But they're from Europe, so what are they doing in America? So I just find it very strange that the Eagles won the Super Bowl, and now there was a crash accident. They had to make an emergency landing after the plane hit several birds, horned birds, and the American Eagle Flight 5396. I mean, It's really interesting. Really interesting. Really, really interesting. Shalom.